Welcome back to InSpire KC Driving School. Today, we're going to cover merging onto the highway. Merging doesn't have to be stressful, but it does require timing, awareness, and confidence. As you enter the on-ramp, your job is to match the speed of traffic on the highway, not faster, not slower. This is called the acceleration lane. Use it to get up to highway speed before you merge. Check your mirrors, then check your blind spot, and don't forget your signal. That blinker isn't a request, it's a heads up. Now here's the key, don't stop at the end of the ramp. Highway traffic is moving fast. If you come to a complete stop, it makes merging much more dangerous. Find a gap, adjust your speed, and slide in smoothly. It's not about forcing your way in, it's about reading the flow and joining it like a puzzle piece. Sometimes in busy traffic, another driver may move over to give you room. However, this is not always the case. So be aware and ensure you always do your safety checks before merging. Once you're on the highway, keep going. Don't slow down. Remember, use the full ramp if needed. Signal early. Match the speed of traffic. Don't stop. And always double check your blind spot. Merging isn't about luck, it's about preparation. Practice it, and you'll be highway ready in no time.
When merging with other traffic flow, how big should the gap in traffic be? 4 to 6 seconds. True or false? You should always signal when merging into traffic. True.